Hey, this is Johnny Beane, and here is a quick video. Today we are talking about the Guyker GKD07SP dopamine color locking tuners. I have them installed on my Kramer Beretta special guitar. Look at that. They look awesome. Let's do this. Let's talk about these. They're amazing. Welcome, my name is Johnny Beane. If this is your first time here, I talk guitars, rock, music. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get all the alerts of my live streams and other videos. So today we're talking about the Guyker locking tuners. Very easy to install. I upgraded the tuners here on my Kramer Beretta special guitar. I got the blue and purple. So you can get these tuners in regular chrome. There's a whole bunch of different ones. Let's actually go to the website here. You can see that these are the ones that I got right here, the dopamine color lock string guitar machine heads. You can see there's different ones you can get. There's the chrome with pearl. There's red and gold. You know, there's regular black, regular gold. You know, all different ones. These are the ones that I chose. And I will have a link down below to get the tuners directly from Guyker. There you go. So here's a little video right here. These are the tuners. And basically, to install a string, you want to loosen the part in the back. Insert the string, and then you want to tighten the cylinder in the back there. Like that. And then tune the guitar. And that's basically it. That's how the locking tuner works. They're amazing. There's a nice close-up. Yeah, these are great looking tuners. Like I said, there's different colors you can get. I chose the blue and the purple to go with this particular guitar. There's the back. Very easy to install. Actually, these tuners, they actually they fit right in the slots. The screw holes matched up. It was easy, very easy to do. So there you go. There they are, right there. Awesome. So hey, there you go, you guys. Quick video for the Guyker